In this video, I'm going to show you how to mass delete your emails in Gmail. So there's a couple ways to do this. So you can go through and select every single email, but that takes a lot of time. What you can do is go ahead and check this box right above your primary inbox here and hit select. And that's going to select all 50 conversations because your conversations are 50 emails a piece. So go through page by page by page. And that's a good way to do it. You can also come over to this button here where it says select all 170 conversations in your primary inbox and then hit the delete button from that point. What another way to do this is you can actually type in what you want to get rid of and we can do the same thing. So I have selected all of these emails from vidIQ. I'm going to select all the emails in the first page and then what I'm going to want to do is all 50 conversations have been selected. I'm going to select all conversations. So now throughout the entire inbox, I have all the conversations selected, and then we can go over to here to the delete, and it's going to ask you to confirm bulk action. We'll hit OK. It will take a little bit as you see it's loading, and you see it kind of going through to go through your entire inbox to delete those emails. As you see, it's starting to diminish. Let's see if it changes if I hit the refresh button. Not just yet, but it is taking a little bit of time. What you can do here from this point is actually go through your different inboxes here and do the same thing, and it'll work just the same. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one.